Yo, anybody out there? Anybody out there? I'm sorry, y'all. My bad. Can you guys see my phone? I forgot, like I was telling you, Poe, my tablet will not let me share screen. And I tried what you did, um what you sent in chat the other day, and it did not work. So that's why that didn't let me go live with my screen. So you all can see my screen? All right. Can you all see that? Actually, let me grab my other phone so I can see chat. One sec. All right. Okay, so you can see my screen now. Nice. All right. Okay, so you can see my screen now. Sweet. All right. All right, so this is the 1 hour that Mike Lowry was talking about. So if we show some indicators here, it will be a little messy because it's on my phone. But we do have slight. Let me pull my pen out. We do have slight bull div here. Doom, what's good, man? I'm sorry about that, guys. That sucks. But we're here now. So, like I was saying on the weekly, we want to hold this spot. If you notice, ever since 15K, we've been above the 50. So that's what I was talking about earlier when you couldn't see my screen the whole time. So we want to hold this zone. And that's weekly. Right. See what I mean? So indicators are telling me VWAP's heading down pretty good, but that should curve around. Depending on where this momentum wave goes. We'll see what happens there. We could have more downside on the week. Daily. Daily isn't looking too bad. Like I said, we're holding support on this daily 200. That's a really good sign. Hold me, I'm scared. And hell yeah, it's good to see you, Dav, man. We've been asking where you been. This to me ain't a great look. You know, money flow coming down into the red, but that's happened before. We've done that over here back in the 60s. We came back above. VWAP's heading up. Yeah, we got VWAP heading up, which could print us a green dot. Look for a green dot here soon. I know mine are purple and blue, but so watch for this green dot. Money flow's still red, so the green dot might not play out like a big move, but it will push us up some. Let me look at some immediate time frames. Like you said, the 1 hour. The 1 hour has bullish div. We are holding above the we just got back above the 50. That's always a good sign. It's supporting on it right now. Let's jump down lower. 24 minute. I mean, we got money flow coming up. That's a good sign. RSI above the 50. It means bullish movement. And as you can see right here, we got above the 50. We've been up ever since. Now, what I'd be looking for on the 24-minute time frame is a break of structure. Now, if this comes up, supports on this 200, and then gets above this here, we could have more upside. Now we can look at something like this. Let's get rid of that. All right. We might have a possible breakout right now. Yeah, that might be a possible breakout right there. Is anybody in here going to ETH Denver? Anybody at all? Also, I'm probably still going to do my driving live. Even if nobody comes, I don't care. I'm still going to do the driving live at like 2 o'clock, maybe. So you are home now, Dav, right? I'm going to take a look at some lower time frames. Let's take a look at the 6 minute. 6 minute is 6 minute ain't looking great to me. Money flow's starting to curve down. Momentum waves topped out. We are still bullish because we're above the 50 RSI, but it wouldn't take much to get below that. This, I'm not driving while I'm sharing charts, that's for sure. This is my my lunchtime time. I'm probably going to start doing this at lunchtime a lot more. I just wish I can figure out my my tablet situation because the screen's so damn small on my phone. I mean, it's a big ass phone, but it's not big enough to do things like this. But you guys can see it pretty good. Are you moving to Nashville? Nice. So, Brian, are you saying you don't want me to do the driving live? So, yeah, that's what I'm looking on the 6 minute. Like I said, the 1 hour does have slight bull div. It's not too strong, but it's there. Did that play out already? It's very possible. It's very possible that that's the bull div right there because of money flow being red. So bull div with red money flow is weaker than bull div in green money flow, which my green money flow is blue. My red money flow is purple. Okay, you didn't say that. Okay. You know, no big deal. I don't either way, I'm still going to probably go live just because it's something to do while I'm driving home. So, yeah, as far as any trades, right now's the time to be looking for longs. I would like to see a little deeper bull div here, but it's there on the 1 hour. Don't know what the 4 hour looks like. Sorry, I need to turn. Hold on, I'll be right back. 1 sec. Or no, I forgot I'm sharing screen. You can see everything. All right. Do not disturb. All right, now nobody will bug me. So 4 hour looks like 4 hour looks really good, actually. 4 hour looks really good. We got bull div, we got money flow creeping up, which really ain't that red anyway. We got RSI coming back above the 50. If RSI on the 4 hour gets above this 50 and supports, it could be a good long opportunity. Right. Yeah, it's a sitting live. But that's decent bull div right there. Yeah, that's real good bull div, actually. So we do have bull div on the 4 hour, which normally is a really good sign. However, being in the red money flow, well, that's pretty close to turning green. So we do have bull div on the 4 hour. We have bull div on the 1 hour. 6 hour bull div. We're going to retrace back up here, I think. I think we retrace back up a little bit. Let's see. I think it's possible we get back up to, let's set that way I don't have to. I think it's possible we get back up to about 90K. 90K is a possible retrace spot. Right. Like I said, the bull divs are a little weaker when we have red money flow, so keep that in mind. As far as a macro, let's go to daily. And let me see something here. All right, so this is daily. Let's take this and go to fixed. Let's run a volume. Oh, my bad. Let's run a volume profile and see what this looks like. Yeah, I don't like that. But I bet you that's right about at 90, ain't it? Yep. I could see a retrace back up to test this bottom value area low. Yes, don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe for sure. I know all you guys are, but definitely smash the likes. It helps a lot. And another thing I found out, Mike will tell you, we heard last night that if you go into, like, say you went to watch my video and you stopped it, say it's a 10-minute video, you watch 2 minutes and you go off of it, that hurts like hell. I'm not telling you do what you want to do, but stopping in the middle of anybody's video is pretty bad for it. Thank you for that, Mike. I always forget. I don't beg for shit, so I'm not used to it. Also, another thing I wanted to show you guys was this. Do you like that? Little splashes on the screen? All right, so this is a website called Œ̞ğô̞. I don't know why there's freaking ads all over it, but so I go in here to Bitcoin. These stupid ads. So I go in here and let's type up CVD. All right, so this is ÞEʁ. This is where I get my info on trades that are opening up and what is opening up, long or short. So if we go in here, I can see that price is coming up, open interest is coming up. So your open interest is our trades opening or closing. So when this is going up, trades are opening. When it's coming down, trades are closing. Okay, your CVD is going to tell you whether or not that trade is short or long. So if I click on this, we see that this has been coming down, so shorts have been opening up. As of here, trades are long, or shorts, yes, no, longs are opening up, I'm sorry. So right here, longs are opening. So we have open interest going up, meaning trades are opening. And then them trades that are opening are short. Julie, thank you for stopping in. It's funny because I normally get home and take a shower right before your stream. So that's how I look at ÞEʁ. ÞEʁ is a really good tool. If you guys want any more info on this, you know where to find me. So that's that. And then let's take a look at CoinGlass. Liquidation map. All right. All right. Let's go into, let's do a month. Like, yeah, all the money's up top here. We have, 153 million, 110 million, 92 million. All the money's up here. So with what I was just looking at, 92K is a good range to retrace back into. That'll put us roughly at the golden pocket or 786 retracement. Yeah, I like to look at the 3-month as well. It gives you a little more info. All right, here's the 3-month. What's that? That ain't that much money. I mean, yeah, look at that. $310 million sitting up at, sitting at one. Damn, a lot of people caught that top and shorted that top. A lot of liquidity sitting up there at 109. Is there anything you guys want to look at? Is there any charts or anything? Real quick, I got about 20 minutes. Is there anything else you guys want to see? All right, here's the 6-month. Obviously, we got a ton of liquidity down below. Billions of dollars sitting down below. Billions. But I don't, obviously we ain't going down into here. Maybe down, that's why I said maybe down into the 72. There's roughly like $12 billion sitting down here at 72K. You want to look at Glassnode Pi Cycle? I can look at that. All right. I thought I had the Glassnode app because it's a lot easier to look at. Oh, they do have a studio, huh? Well, this is a number of active addresses. That's going up, so that's good. You know what? Let me just do this. Let me just try this. There we go. Do I have like a full screen mode on this? All right, so here's the Pi Cycle. Obviously, as you notice, as we top, it ain't long after that the Pi Cycle prints a top. Prints a top. According to the Pi Cycle, we have a long way to go. Right now, currently sitting at Pi Cycle, the 350-day MA times 2 is sitting at $133,000. Oh yeah, there's a lot of drama going between Ben and AJ and J Chains. Ben's blaming a lot of stuff on AJ and J Chains, so I'm not really going to get deep into it. It's not my business to talk about. But that's Pi Cycle top right there. Normally this will print an indicator, but as you notice, it's lagging. This is where it printed because it happens when these cross, which was a little bit after the top. And if you notice here, our first top is when it printed. We never got one for the second. Let's take a look at since we got Money Mike in here, let's take a look at I gotta move my circle. Let's take a look at XRP real quick. Or actually, real quick, let's take a look at dominance. USDT dominance. See that? Money is moving into USDT. However, on the daily, look at that wick. It's normally a bearish candle right there if it closes down here, which could bring this back down to retrace this line. However, if you take a look at USDT dominance, you will see that we have held this trend line for 7 years. So back in 2022, back at the top, we bounced off this line. That was the first top. We are now at that trend line, indicating that a top is in. However, back here and here, back here, right here, we printed the Pi Cycle top. Now, I do believe that at some point, Pi Cycle top will be thrown out the window. Carrie, my man, thank you for stopping in, brother. I do appreciate you. I appreciate all you. And if you could hit the like button, that shows me you appreciate me. These streams will get better. I promise. Oh, wait, it already did. Actually, what coin you talking about, Mike V? Oh, bang. All right, let's take a look at XRP real quick. Because I know that's all the buzz. Everybody wants XRP. All right, that's annoying. Where you at? Where you at, XRP? All right, XRP. Well, we broke down from that, but 1 week, same thing. We want RSI to hold above this. Ever since we got above the 50 RSI, it's been nothing but up. Okay, that's the weekly. There really ain't much left to look at. Money flow's still in the green. Momentum waves coming down. VWAP pointing down. We can check some EMAs. We're below the, what is that? That's the 9. The 50 EMA is all the way down at like $1.06. We probably won't hit that. Thank you, Julie. I appreciate it. I really do. All right, 1 day on XRP. Depending on no bull div as of right now. Below the 50. Currently holding support. We don't want to really go down much more on XRP daily. I'm trying to fly through these because I got about 10 minutes. We do have some bullish divergence on the 4-hour XRP chart. We have higher highs in momentum, lower lows in price. Same thing with RSI. Again, we want RSI to get above the 50. Once that happens, bullish movement will come. Break a structure here. Get above 235, and it could be up from there. Just remember that we are in red money flow. God damn it. We are in red money flow. So any type of bull div is going to be weaker than if we were in green money flow. And really, you know, as far as that goes, Jesus. Ain't really much more to look at on XRP. I just went through most of it. So for you, Poe, let's take a look at H-bar. I'll look at spot. All right. H-bar had a nice retrace. If we can hold above here, if we can get back up some, nah, never mind. Disregard that. No divs on 4-hour on H-bar. No bull divs on the 4-hour. 1 hour. 1 hour looks good. We got above the 50 here on the RSI. Let's see. Looks pretty good. That's a good sign. That right there is a change of a break of structure. We are now currently above these highs here. So if this can hold above these highs, it could lead to more upwards action. Sorry, I'm looking over at the chat, just seeing what you guys want to see or anything. I got about 9 minutes left. Dav, thank you so much for stopping in, man. I am going to do more of these, and check out some of the videos I posted. They're not too bad. I'm getting better. Thank you, Dav. It's very good to see you, man. And stop in Discord whenever you can. Awesome, man. You're the best. Don't forget to hit the like. I know you probably already did, though. Any other charts you guys want to see? I can run down real quick. Let's take a look at this. Do I? Yes, I do. Shit. They don't have sideways mode on this. I forgot. All right, we'll get out of that. Let's go back to this mode. Sorry. I forgot that CoinMarketCap doesn't have... I forgot that CoinMarketCap doesn't have landscape mode. So we'll skip that for now. Maybe I can go here. Shit. Come on, damn it. Maybe I can go this. Nope. Damn it. Oh well, no CoinMarketCap because it only goes into portrait mode, so no CoinMarketCap. M Ninja, man, what's going on? Is there anything else I wanted to show you guys? Hey, Julie, look, safe pal. Yeah, that's probably pretty much it. We can look at Crow for Brian. Picoin, I can't pull up a chart. Now, maybe I could look up... I can try this. I don't know if Dex Screener has Pi. Yeah, even Dex Screener wants to go in portrait mode. Peak, I think they do have a chart. One sec. Nope, didn't want to do that. Sorry, guys. Hold on one sec. I'm trying to find the peak chart. One sec. There it is. All right. All right. Let's go to the weekly. Ain't really much to look at. Oh, God, it's a nasty looking chart. Now's the time to be buying this coin. Now is the time. All right, one day. All right, we're starting to find some support here and not dipping down too much lower. We have some slight bullish div. Money flow's looking a little weak on the daily. Let's go to 12 hour. Man, this coin has just been getting beat down, but it's a hell of a coin, I'm telling you. No bull divs there. Check 4 hour. Money flow trying to curve up, but this thing's just been deep in the... People have been selling all the coins that they're not used to. So Peak being a new coin, it's obviously going to get sold off. A lot of people don't do research on coins and they just buy new shit and sell it. They don't know what coins are about. And this is a really good coin. Like, this is something that I'd buy and not sell for 10 years because Peak will do a lot of things in the future, I'm telling you. 1 hour. Again, I'm just not getting any bull divs from this. Another red dot printing. Peak ain't looking great, but in my opinion, I'm still going to buy some. Uh, 24 minute, we are above the 50. But it doesn't take much just to drop back below it on the 24 minute because you're always up and down on the 50. Yeah, Peak's not looking great, but it's not looking terrible either, if you know what I mean. Oh yeah, I love Peak, man. And I never checked, but I wonder if Pi has a chart on here yet. No, I didn't want that. I didn't want that. All right. Pi Crypto. There we go. Oh, Pi Network. OKX. Let's take a peek. Yeah. All right. All right. So Pi right now is currently $2.19. Let's go up higher time frames. Okay, so all right, so this is Peak. It's holding pretty strong. It's holding strong. That is a pretty good looking candle right there if we can keep continuing to go up. I love lower wick candles. They're very bullish, just like, well, this one came up and ate that liquidity. Four hour Pi. Looking pretty good, holding this uptrend. Indicators. Yeah, so for a new coin like this, it's really hard to look at indicators because there's just not enough data back. But as you see here, Jesus, man, I'm streaming. Momentum wave starting to curve with VWAP coming up. We are holding above the 50 on the RSI. We are holding above the 50. That's a really good sign. As you can see, we've been above the 50 the whole time, and it's been nothing but up. So 4 hour holding the 50. 1 hour. 1 hour decent money flow for the past, I don't know, 3 days. We are under the 50, so that ain't the greatest sign. But momentum waves are coming up. VWAP just closed or just came below the zero mark, printing a red dot. So hopefully, what I'm hoping to see in Pi is this price come down a little bit more, maybe into, I don't know, back to like $1.50 maybe, taking this momentum wave and making a higher wave, maybe into here somewhere, printing some bull div with blue money flow. Pi may rip then. It may rip from there. 24-minute kind of weak. Momentum waves are flat. RSI struggling to get back above that 50. So really that's about it on Pi. But like I said, if you're looking for trades, longs are it. Get back to Bitcoin. Index. This. All right. Yeah, so the 1 hour for Bitcoin ain't looking too bad. Money flow's starting to curve up. We're getting that, momentum waves coming up. I do believe that it's a possibility this prints another red dot. Now, however, that would be a little higher than the last one, and lower lows in price action, which is hidden bearish div. So I think we come down a little bit more. Taking this momentum wave deep down and printing another. The bull div priority played out. Keep an eye on this being above the 50. If that supports on this 50 line and starts to go up, we could move up from there. But stuff is so shaky right now. But hey, I didn't realize it was already 1 o'clock. I gotta run out. Let me see if I can quit sharing. I can't. Never mind, it ends the stream. So I appreciate you all coming out. I'm sorry half the stream was no charts, but I gotta figure out how to do this on my tablet. And find a way to hold people in here. Other than all you guys, you're all the best. Oh, okay. So Corium is what? XRP coin? Says 8. Yeah, it's 8 people now. Yup, I was up to like 13 there for a minute. Just streaming side work. I will one day. Screw it. Titties and some beer. See, I wish I could end the share screen and just go to me, but I don't think it works like that. Oh, yeah, no, I can't. Titties and beer. You've bought since, yeah. I sold a Solana or two up at like 220 somewhere. And I sold a little bit of I sold some super because I was pretty heavy into super. and I sold some of that. So all the sales I've done so far have played out because we came down so much. But I should be Poe Man number 2 because I'm probably more Poe Man than you. Probably. I wonder what happens if I go like this. No. Okay. I was just curious on what happens there. Motor Roach. Blocky, do you use Grok to help figure out tokenomics? Seems quite it is. Grok is a really good tool. Yeah, Grok, as a matter of fact, like for somebody doing research, like my peak video, for somebody doing research like that, I think you should look into AI because Grok is going to compile all the data from the internet. Now, you're going to find the same info as Grok if you did it all individually, but Grok is going to put it into one tight research packet and hand it to you and say, do what you want with this. So yes, I use Grok quite a bit. It's a very good tool. Moto, hit the like button if you can, bud. I appreciate you stopping in. I bet you Moto were you clicking through shorts, or did you just find me on somewhere? Like in the videos. Because I swear, if I go to portrait mode, it starts sending people in here like crazy. But I got to jump off here, guys. Look for my live on the drive home, the live and drive, at, I don't know, probably about an hour, maybe less. I'm probably going to leave here about 2:10. So look for my live and drive. Come chill if you can. If you can't, no big deal. Even if it's just me, I don't give a hoot. I prefer landscape too. But like I said, thank you all for stopping out. I really appreciate you. Hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't, and I will see you guys in less than an hour with the live and drive. Thank you all so much. See ya. Let's see if I can figure out how to turn this off now. All right. Thank you guys. Appreciate you.